Look at my face, look at my hands. Priyanshi बोली इससे बेटर तो मैं घर पे बना लेती हूँ ये. Delicious, perfection. मैंने स्टार्टिंग में वीडियो बोला था my favorite place in Palanpur. Dirty plate को साइड करो. थोड़े aesthetic भी कुछ होता है. And chapati.
It was very bad.
Thank you. Khatta meat, which is a specialty of Himachal. Honestly, मुझे तो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am in Himachal at my hometown. This is the view from my balcony. You cannot see the mountains today because it's all cloudy. Otherwise you can see the full Dhauladhar range from my balcony. I actually got dressed to go out for lunch with my school friend Priyanshi. She's running an hour late, but I'm excited to show you the place where we are going. We still haven't decided, but I think we are going to my favorite place. It's I think one of the best hotels here in Palanpur, and the food is also amazing. So I'm excited to take you guys to eat with me once she arrives. Also, before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to like the video once you have finished watching it. But go and subscribe to my channel right now, and do leave a comment below and let me know how did you like the video. We are here at my favorite restaurant, Araya, and this is my childhood friend Priyanshi.
Hello.
She was not 1 hour late, she was 1.5 hours late.
Sorry.
It's okay. So she's finally here. This is our ritual. Whenever I come to Palanpur, we come here for lunch.
And we meet and we eat and eat.
And we gossip.
A lot.
A lot. This is the view. Oh my god, look at the mountains and the clouds. And we love eating mutton here, so we are going to order some mutton and something else, so we'll let you know. I forgot to record while ordering. This is my first time. Priyanshi has ordered masala papad.
Yes.
And we have
As a
ordered
starter.
As a starter. I asked her to order chili paneer. She was like, "Yeah, chili paneer kaun khata hai? Hum masala papad khayenge." And we have ordered khatta meat, which is a specialty of Himachal. And some
We wanted
chapati.
to have other as well, but
Yeah, but they're not giving half portion. So
Yes.
for now we've only ordered khatta meat and chapati and Diet Coke. See you when we eat. I think I do. इतना गंदा लग रहा है ना ये देखने में प्रियांशी. ये इनका मसाला पापड़ है. खाओ बैठ के अब ये प्याज टमाटर. Okay, check out the view, guys. How cool is the view? Thank you. Cheers.
cheers.
Okay, let's try Priyanshi's favorite masala papad. Honestly, मुझे तो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. बहुत खट्टा है. बहुत नींबू है. There should be a little sweet chutney on this. I'll give it 3 out of 10. 4 out of 10.
Right.
हमने मसाला पापड़ वापस भेज दिया है. Priyanshi agrees that it was bad.
It was very bad.
Thank you. So we have sent it back, and they were very sweet to take it back, and they apologized as well, and we accept the apology. Waiting for our mutton. And sorry, Finally, the mutton is here after 45-50 minutes or maybe an hour. This is called khatta meat. Priyankshi whisper kariye khatta meat.
You missed the moment.
Priyankshi सिर्फ इतनी अच्छे से पेप्सी डाल रही थी.
You missed the moment.
We'll relive the moment. It's okay. We'll order another one. प्रियांशी ने मुझे पहले मना कर दिया कि मेरा खाते हुए वीडियो नहीं लेना.
Yes, please.
Okay. She likes to eat in peace. I'm disturbing her peace. Let me show you the view. And I will take the first bite of khatta meat. Okay guys, I'm taking the first bite. Excited. ऐसे मैं कर रही हूँ जैसे मैंने कभी खाया नहीं है. खाया है हर बार, लेकिन हर बार डिफरेंट टेस्ट होता है, इसलिए. Cheers. खट्टा मीट एंड चपाती.
Amazing.
Yum. No. The gravy is yum. ऐसे इसकी ग्रेवी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. Mutton pieces can be softer. It's not that well cooked, I think. But it's yum. And with this view. Okay, so there's a slight change. Priyankshi has returned the khatta meat
Yes.
because
It
it was not well cooked.
Yes, it was half cooked, not well cooked.
At
Is
all.
an understatement.
Yeah. So yeah, हमने ये भी मैंने starting में वीडियो किया था. It's my favorite place in Palampur. But see, the place is still lovely. Look at the view. We mostly come here for the view. And usually, actually, their khatta meat is always very good, right? We always eat the same thing, but it wasn't good. We have sent it back. I mean, they are gonna fix it and bring it back to us. So, we'll update you. Okay, this is... प्रियांशी, dirty plate को side करो. थोड़े aesthetic भी कुछ होता है. Actually, मेरी plate तो और भी dirty है, but... Okay, round 2. So, they have fixed our... mutton, khatta meat, and we are gonna try it again. चलो. She's the expert. प्रियांशी बोल रही है इससे बेटर तो मैं घर पे बना देती हूँ. ये क्या है?
Now it's cooked.
Now it's cooked. And the gravy was amazing, huh? I just licked the gravy off the plate. So, round 2, guys. Okay. Finished. Sorry, प्रियांशी खाते हुए नहीं लेना. मुझे पहले ही instructions मिल चुकी थी. Look at my face, look at my hands. It was delicious. Perfection. She meant that she loved it. It was amazing, guys. You have to try khatta mutton at... I was going to say at Infinity. No, not at Infinity. At Araya Resort in Palampur. Whenever you are in Palampur, it's a beautiful place. I actually didn't want to promote this place because I don't want a lot of people to come here. I like this place because it's nice and quiet. And check out the view. They have this pool, and you can see, yeah, this is a heated pool, and it's surrounded by mountains right now. It's surrounded by clouds because of the weather. Otherwise, the view is amazing. The pool is only for in-house guests, though. We'll show you the indoors in a bit. It started raining, so everybody had to go inside. But I love the rain in Palampur. Like, it's the most beautiful thing ever. It's the best part about living here. Look at the clouds. Rain has stopped and the sun is coming out. Look at the view. Priyankshi, how would you rate the mutton out of 10?
9.
9. Yeah, I think 8, 9. 8. Mutton pieces could still have been better.
Yes.
Softer. But just the gravy and the flavor, 10 out of 10.
Gravy was yummy.
Look at the clouds. So this was our lunch date. Priyankshi, did you have fun?
A lot.
Did you
We
enjoy
had
the
gala
food?
time together.
Yes, as always. Priyankshi is my friend since class second.
Second. When did
Second.
you come to school?
Class second, yeah. So I think we are friends for almost 2.5 decades, and it's been a wonderful friendship so far. so far so good.
Touch wood.
Touch wood. So we'll see you in the next video, and we'll take you to another amazing eating spot in Palampur. Thank you, Priyankshi, for being with us. And guys, please go and subscribe to my channel right now, and thank you for watching.